Hey, feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches know.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Sherellefay, and today we're just going to be doing a tutorial on how I did this little lazy, not so perfect, messy top bun. You know, I always want to put in my videos, you know, as a disclaimer, you guys know, you should know already that I am not a professional hairstylist. I don't give out professional advice, anything like that. You know, if you want professional advice on how to do certain styles or, you know, things like that, I suggest you go to a professional hairstylist. The hairstyles that I do, I just typically mimic what I see on YouTube, and I just, you know, attempt to give it a try and see where it goes from there. I can't do hair worth the damn. I feel like everybody has gotten a place, like everybody has been in a place in their life where they were like, okay, what can I do? Like, I cannot do my hair, or like when they do their hair, it does not come out the way it is supposed to be. Like, for example, I have lots of flyaways that I can't do anything about. Even though the hairstyle is cute, I cannot do anything about these flyaways. So you know what? It's just the perfect style for me, all right? It fits for me. If you got better ideas, if you got better ways to control your flyaways, by all means, please comment below what I can do for these flyaways. Like I said, it's just not really giving, and it's like I can't do anything about it. They always, whatever hairstyle that I decide to do, whether it's a top bun or a bottom knot, I'm always have some flyaways. So I mean, if you're like me, it's just kind of like something that you just deal with. So all right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and we'll get into this video on how I achieved this top knot with just 3 bundles. I was planning on doing just 2, but I ended up wanting it to be a little thicker, so I decided I was just gonna go, you know, with 3. And no glue, no paper, just pure laziness, just some rubber bands and some tracks. Okay, that's how I achieved this look. So keep watching, y'all, and make sure y'all like and subscribe and comment, you know, suggestions on what other products that I can use for my hair, or other suggestions for other videos that you guys would like to see me achieve as well. All right, y'all, and I'll see y'all later. Wait, before we get into a video, I'm gonna give a shout out to my sister. Her name is Shakara. I have been wanting to help my sister out. Now she is, she's doing she has a doormat business that she creates. It's handmade. She has her Etsy link, and I'll put that in the description in the bio. Here's some of her videos, and if you guys want to take a look at her website and give her some feedbacks, and maybe even buy some doormats, and you know, do some supporting of some Black businesses. Okay, very sweet person, very prompt on her deliveries, and she's very prompt with her messages. If you have any questions, she also has the ability to just print out little formats, and maybe not formats, but she can better explain to you better than I can. But go ahead and check out her link and check out her Etsy webpage, and go ahead and get you a Black owned customized doormat. Okay, back to my video. All right, y'all. So I came back, tried to do the whole, scarf technique. Did not work. I used a little bit of some Argon oil, as you seen in the previous video. It worked a little bit, but I mean, all it's gonna do is just make my hair curly. But this is, once again, the final look. I personally like it. It's more of a messy, it's giving more messy bun vibes. I typically like to do the weave instead of the braiding hair, in which I can do a braiding hair tutorial if you guys want me to. That's totally up to you guys. I can do a braiding hair tutorial, but I don't know, I feel like I like the weave, the tracks a little bit better, only because it's kind of easier to just, twist it and just wrap it around without it doing all the unraveling and things like that. And then I also feel like it looks a little bit more sleeker, if that makes sense. But then again, I also know that it depends on the type of braiding hair that you get. I usually get the pre-stretch, like kink line, like you're braiding hair, but sometimes, like I said, I just don't like the way it gives that final look. So all right guys, then I appreciate you guys for watching my video, and like I said, comment, like, subscribe if you want to see more hair tutorials. Kind of came to the realization that my channel is going to be about everything. It's going to be about my weight loss, it's going to be about makeup tutorials, my lifestyle, or just some hairstyle tutorials. Just give me some ideas on what other videos that you guys would like to see. And then also I'm going to start uploading more content a little bit more frequently instead of waiting like months and years and stuff. So I have some things going on, and want to keep you guys updated on that. So we'll watch out for that. But thank you guys for watching my channel, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys.